notebook, you're going to have create your new thing. It's like untitled, that you name something to yourself. So, like each of those things, like you could have those. You can add the code, you can add the text. In this case, I have some code over here. Like if I want to add another code, this is coming to here, right? Then if I put something like I can run that Python programming directly. It's like a hello Python. Then you do this, you can see it runs out away, right away. So you don't have to install the Python. You just go to the Google Colab. You can do a lot of fancy things. This is the code. If you want to add the comments, for these things, you could say, okay, like this is my I don't know, class thing. Then it's automatically put up over here. Then I say, okay, this thing should go up, and you just move those things around. What happened to this? So it's you could edit, do those things. Everything you see, this notebook is it's just like okay. I think it's a really good tool for you to learn things, right? So, what? Oh, okay. Yeah, right here. You see, okay, move this on top, then okay, you just move those things. So anything you can move those things around, really organize the things, just like you take the notes, in your class. The good thing is you can run it, anytime you do something. Okay, if you change something, you just change something, right? And after you change those things, you run, you click run, it's going to give you one. So good to you can use this thing for you to learn Python. As far as for the model, it should be like quite simple. You go to this. This is a TensorFlow. This is how you import the library to this. The Colab, right? That's the TensorFlow. You import TensorFlow. You import NumPy. This array library. Then here is the thing. You import the layers from the TensorFlow Keras. The Keras is the high level, the API, the library for you to create, the neural network. So this is a model, we basically, like I said, you start with the simple. If not working, you can always add, here we're going to have like 3 layers, right? So it's like one input, you have this dimension, what your data set, your data set could be a tensor. That basically means it could be an array, right? Any dimension of an array, it's like a single number that's a scalar, then the vector is a one-dimensional array. Then your rank 2 tensor is two-dimensional array. Okay. And you could have any kind of ranker thing like this. It's exactly it's a tensor. It's just your data, right? Your data. Right. Your data shape. Then over here, we basically add all those different layers. The dense layer is a typical, that neural network layer, and you could have any number of neurons in the layer. Then the dense means this, is fully connected. Is every, your input goes to every neuron. Mm-hmm. Then we have the one output, is with this one neuron. That neuron, is give us some, the property, a number, as it tells us, for the given input, like with certain parameters from the two name, two string, you basically calculate that list of characteristics of that two string. That's so right now I think I mentioned it when I go over the ENM thing. The thing is we have like a gyroscope, we have that double metaphone, we have NASIS, we have the longest distance and the longest common characters. All those different things